The U of M's McWherter Library is giving students the opportunity to use state-of-the-art equipment however they imagine, with a little-known program they call the Sandbox.
The Sandbox is an area in the library that is for students to come and try out any kind of technology we have available. It's a place for students to come and make their own art, create stuff, design stuff, and hopefully be inspired to try it not only in their student life, but maybe carry it over with them in their careers afterward.
The Sandbox started in 2014 with just a couple of 3D printers. It has now expanded into an entire area called the Creator Space, with many tools and tech for students to use, such as computers fit with the latest design software, keyboards where they can compose music, bookshelves full of graphic novels, and a video game area. But that's not all. Students can also rent out state-of-the-art technology for use outside of the Sandbox, like digital art tablets, VR headsets, a sewing machine, professional cameras, laptops, and microphones. And that's just the tip of the iceberg.
The purpose is really to kind of introduce students to new technologies that maybe they can't afford. A lot of this stuff, you know, as a kid going through college myself, I couldn't afford 3D printers, I couldn't afford the computer equipment, software, so we're trying to provide stuff like that students maybe you've never touched before, never even seen.
You can do whatever you want with it. So that's what really blew my mind, is that the University of Memphis gave us this opportunity to work with something for free and just collaborate with each other and to create.
The Sandbox is also welcoming in 3 new creative spaces: the video production studio, where students can explore their cinematic desires, the audio production studio, where they can record sound and podcasts, and the presentation practice room, where they can rehearse and record their presentations or record voiceovers like the ones in this package.
There's something here for everyone. So if it's 3D printing or playing music or sewing or making stickers or playing video games, there's something for you here.
For more information about the Sandbox or to schedule an orientation, visit their website at libguides.memphis.edu/thesandbox. Reporting for Tiger News, I'm Caleb Suggs.